Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hopefully everyone will be safe and good. Today I got the new idea from you because I upload a lot of my video on YouTube channel. So today I think that I thought that I should do something for you. I should do something interesting for you. So that is why I cut my own hairs and I have removed all the split hair. Just because of this splitting here, my hair was very frizzy, very dull, so I just cut my own hairs. So on the second hand, you can say how to cut a longest hair into a layer shape. It is very difficult, to be honest. It is very difficult. I utilize almost 1.5 hours to cut my own hairs because I'm the only one who is going to manage everything, comb my hair, then I just bind pony, and I just use the scissors. So everything I'm going to do by own self. There was nothing, there was no person and another person who helped me to do this. But hopefully guys, you really like my video. And so let's start. First of all, you just have to comb your hair to remove all the split, to remove the all tangles at your hairs. Then you have to take all the section of your hair and you just have to put in front of your forehead, and you just have to keep a pony as I have do in the video. So as you know, my hair is very long, so I just put 3 ponies to make the proper shape, to make the proper cutting of my hair. That is why I have put 3 ponies. And after 3 ponies, I take a section of my hairs and I just have split from the lower side of my hairs. After that, I take my all hairs again back to my section. Then I take a small, or you can say 3 centimeters, 3 centimeter area I have left in my hairs. And after that, all the hair you have to again take it back to the front, and then you have to bind a pony as I'm doing in the video. So again you have to repeat the same process. You have to bind 3 ponies so you can get the proper shape and proper cutting of your hairs. So I have cut 2 centimeter, or you can say I have cut my 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches I have cut in every layer, from back, then again upward, then go upward. In this way I have cut my 2 to 3 inches here, because after one year I'm going to cut my hairs, because in this 1 year my diet was not good and I was not doing take care of my hairs. That is why there are a lot of split hair. So I thought I should make something video for you which will be beneficial for my viewers. And so that is why today I have made this video for you. So what I'm doing now, I have put 3 inches area of my back head region. So again you have to put a small section in front of your head and you have to bind the same pony. So in this way, look how many ponies I have bind. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. There are 6 ponies I have made on my hairs. In 6 ponies means I have made 6 layers. 6 layers of my hairs. 1, let's start again. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. The section you have cut, you have to make a pony over there. So in this way you can make a layers of your hairs. I have made 6 layers in my hair, so that is why I have bind 6 ponies. But if you want to need more layers, so you just have to add few means you just have to add more ponies. Like it's up to me that I like to make 6 layers. So if you want to make more layers, so you just have to add more ponies. I mean, you just have to take a little section of your hair, like 2 inches or 1 inches, you can say 1 inches. So in this way you can add like 9 to 12 ponies in your head region. So in this way, the area you have cut it, you just have to make a pony over there. So you just have to remind that you don't have to cut that area which you already bind with the help of pony. So in this way I have made the 6 pony. So look at here, the section the whole hair you have to put in front of your head, and you just have to bind a pony. And then believe me, a lot of ponies I have take to cut my hairs. I said to my younger sister, please give me your pony because I need it. So you have to take a lot of ponies, and please be careful while cutting your hairs that your fingers should be straight. If your fingers should be straight, so you will cut your hairs in a correct way. Okay. And one more thing I just want to tell you, whenever you will think like you are going to cut your hair, first you have to remove all the tangles from your hair. If there will be the tangle, then you cannot make the proper layer of your hairs. So look, in the video I just have make it very fast because it takes a lot of time to cut my hairs. As I told you before, 1.5 hours I utilized to cut my hairs. This is the front section of my hairs. Again and again I'm using my comb because I don't want to take a single tangle in my hair, because whenever there will be the tangle, so my hair will not be in proper shape. I never ever recommend you go to salon. I know 2 to 3 years when I was in university, I went to the salon. I said to the I said her that I just want to cut my hairs, and believe me, that time my hair was very long, more than as you can see in the video. So she cut a lot of hairs, and the hair length was, you can say, same as on my chest. So I was very disappointed to her. So after that I realized that I shouldn't do this type of thing. In future I have to cut my own hairs because I really love my hair. I cannot compromise on my skin, and I cannot compromise on my hairs. These two things are very important, and you can say that these two things are I love these two things, like my hair and my skin. So this is the whole hair I have cut. So now you can see there are a lot of layers in my hair. I'm going to show you. You can check, there is a small layer, then little bit long, then there will be little bit long. So in this way you can see a lot of layers in my hair. So this is the final result, and hope all of you will like my video. And look, this is really beautiful. This is very, when you will straighten your hairs with the help of straightener, after that you will see that the layers of your hairs are very visible and very beautiful. Because when I saw to my mother, and my mother said, believe me, your hair is really beautiful before than that. So I will say that you must have to try it at home. Allah